New toy for the Hellcat today. Steve White Motors. Hey, swapping out the front grille. Putting the new Snorkel style grill on. Got it jacked up, and we're going to take off the bumper. See how this goes.
20 minutes later.
Alright, now these come right off. You use tie. There's nothing there, so that's it.
I have no idea what this is.
It's how easy it comes off. Once you take off 6 bolts and 500 clips.
So now the grills, they just snap out now?
I would imagine so. I'll have to bring it over there.
Yeah.
And, figure that out.
Alright.
We'll bring it.
Got
grab it.
2.
Yep. I should ask my friend how this is done. It looks like it's clips on the top. A whole bunch of clips
on the side.
Yeah, let me see the back. Oops, sorry. Let me see that one. Yeah, so it's all these buttons here.
Yep.
It's here, and all this on the top.
So now the SRT logo, it doesn't look like it goes on this one.
It probably does, but a different way. So you have to find out.
Find it out, yeah.
What the new? Get the new.
I want to get a new one, yeah.
Did you get the inserts too?
Yep.
Oh, they had them in stock.
Yeah.
It took them another 2 weeks to get the.
Oh,
they had
really?
one. Yeah. Now the bottom one, I think maybe this reinforcement might have to come out
Okay.
for the bottom one. But we'll figure it out.
Next morning.
Alright guys, so I got the new 2019 Hellcat grill installed on my 2016 Hellcat. This included, it was a kit I got from Steve White Motors. It was $130. It included the upper grill, the lower grill, and the 2 snorkel inlets. So in addition to the snorkels, it's actually a different grill pattern. Alright, that's what the new one looks like. That's what the older one looks like. It's kind of a smaller hole. Doesn't really look quite as chopped and as aggressive as that grill pattern. So when I ordered this, Steve White, the guy I was talking to, said that they are on back order on the smaller grills. Unfortunately, if I ever want to get those, I'm going to have to take the whole front end off again, because that's the only way to get to those. Really wasn't, I chose not to actually include all the steps of actually taking off the front grill, just because there's a ton of videos on that. The guy that helped me, Matt's LB3711, has done the front end removal numerous times on his and other cars. So, I mean, if you have somebody that knows how to do the front end removal, then it's really not that hard. Would have been a nightmare for me to do myself, because I had never taken off the front grill before. So these are the old grill pieces. And here you can really see the difference in the grill patterns between the old and the new. But there's bolts along the top there and pins that have to come out. There's also where the holes there's pins that go in. Same with the upper grill. There's slots where they mount. So yeah, not too bad. So one other thing to note is that the original badge that comes on the original grill, which is the SRT only badge in the pre-2019 models, that will not fit on the new grill. So it's just, yeah, the tabs and everything just don't line up. So you're gonna have to get a new badge for it if you want it. So I got the newer style one, which includes the Hellcat logo. I like that a lot better. I like it on the back too because it kind of distinguishes the Hellcat from just a regular SRT. Just keep that in mind that the old badge is not going to work on the new grill. I personally like the look. I know a lot of guys don't like the new Snorkel look, but I just think it gives it a much more aggressive look. Yep, but that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one.